the busy city of Mumbai, Shraddha Walkar was a bright and cheerful 27-year-old woman full of dreams. She worked hard and had a promising future. But her story is a sad reminder of how love can sometimes turn into a dangerous trap. Shraddha worked at a call center in Mumbai where she met Aftab Amin Poonawalla, one of her colleagues. Aftab was charming and confident, which made Shraddha fall in love with him. They grew close quickly and started a relationship. Shraddha's family didn't support their relationship because of cultural differences. But Shraddha decided to follow her heart and moved in with Aftab. This was the start of a journey full of love, but also trouble. Though their social media showed a happy couple, their relationship had many problems. Friends said Shraddha and Aftab often fought, and there were even signs of physical abuse. Shraddha stayed hopeful, thinking things would get better. In May 2022, they moved to Delhi to start fresh. They rented a small apartment in Chhatarpur and hoped to leave their problems behind. But instead, the move made things worse. They were away from family and friends, and their fights became more serious. On May 18, 2022, Shraddha and Aftab had another big fight, this time about marriage. The argument got out of control, and in a moment of rage, Aftab strangled Shraddha. What he did next was horrifying. To hide the crime, Aftab cut Shraddha's body into 35 pieces using tools he had bought. He kept the pieces in a refrigerator and, over the next 18 days, went to the Chhatarpur forest late at night to throw the body parts away. For months, no one knew what had happened to Shraddha. Aftab acted like nothing was wrong. But Shraddha's family became worried when they couldn't reach her. Her father, Vikas Walkar, tried calling and texting her many times. Finally, in November 2022, he filed a missing person report with the police. The police started investigating and questioned Aftab. At first, he said Shraddha had left him after a fight, but his story didn't match the evidence. Under pressure, Aftab confessed to killing Shraddha and told the police all the chilling details. Aftab explained how he had planned everything to hide the murder. He cleaned the apartment thoroughly and used the refrigerator to store Shraddha's body parts. The refrigerator and the tools he used became key pieces of evidence. The police also found CCTV footage showing Aftab making late-night trips to the forest with suspicious-looking bags. Forensic experts analyzed the remains found in the forest, and DNA tests confirmed they belonged to Shraddha. Aftab's confession shocked the entire country. The gruesome details of the crime left people horrified. The case was widely covered by the media, and there was a huge public outcry. People demanded justice for Shraddha and stricter laws to protect victims of domestic violence. The trial is still ongoing. Aftab has been charged with murder and tampering with evidence. Shraddha's family continues to fight for justice, hoping her tragic death will bring awareness to abusive relationships. Shraddha Walkar was a young woman with big dreams and a kind heart. Her story is a reminder to recognize the warning signs of abuse and take action before it's too late. Her family and friends remember her for her strength and kindness. They hope her story will encourage others to speak up against violence and seek help when needed. Shraddha's tragic end is not just a story of loss, but also a lesson for everyone. The Shraddha Walkar case is a heartbreaking example of how love can turn dangerous. It shows the importance of trust, respect, and communication in a relationship. It also reminds us to act when we see signs of abuse. As we remember Shraddha, let us also remember the lessons her story teaches us about safety and awareness.